In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and promote a coupon using your HostGator affiliate or reseller portal. Whether you're aiming to boost your sales or increase your affiliate engagement, crafting the right coupon can make a significant difference. Let's dive into the process, making sure everyone feels confident and ready to put this strategy into practice. First, you'll want to log into your HostGator affiliate or reseller portal. As this platform holds the key to managing various aspects of your affiliate work, it's crucial that you have easy access. If you don't already have your login credentials at hand, take a moment to retrieve them, ensuring that accessing the portal is as seamless as possible. Once inside, you're one step closer to creating that compelling offer for your audience. After successfully logging in, look towards navigating your dashboard to find either the marketing tools or the coupons section. These areas are specifically tailored for affiliates to drive and measure their marketing efforts. The marketing tools section is designed to give you an overview of the resources available to boost your campaigns. Meanwhile, the coupon section will take you right where you need to start the creation of a new coupon. Take your time to familiarize yourself with these sections as they are packed with useful features that can aid your affiliate journey. Now you'll want to select Create New Coupon. This option is typically easy to find and is clearly labeled, which makes it user-friendly. Choosing this option takes you to a form that's set up to guide you through the coupon creation process step by step. This is where the fun starts, as you get to customize everything according to what you think will best engage your audience. In the form, you'll have options to customize the coupon details, and this is key to making your coupon as attractive as possible. You can set the discount amount first. Remember, it should be enticing enough to capture attention, but still within your means. Next is the expiration date. Consider how long you want this offer to be available. It could be a short-term incentive or a longer-standing one. Finally, define any usage limits. If you want to create a sense of urgency and exclusivity, these limits could be very effective. Once your coupon details are set and you're happy with how everything looks, you'll generate the coupon code. Generating the code is usually done with the click of a button. And voila, just like that, it's ready.